Hello, I'm just going to briefly talk through this task which has been set for you. Um, I'm not going to spend too long, it's just a comprehension group of questions, so we've done those plenty of times before. Basically, you need to just have a read through the text and not show the answers like I just did. So there are 2 pages and some instructions at the end. Okay, so have a good read through of all of the text before you look at the questions. I'm not going to do that now, but I'm just going to show you these questions briefly. So some of the questions are just asking you to take information from the text and copy it basically. So which of these scientists invented the World Wide Web? And you just have to find, so I'd be thinking, okay, go back to the text and find where it says invented the World Wide Web, and one of those names should be there. But read carefully before and after, because you may miss something if you don't read it around the whole area. So you're going to find the right answer and give it a tick. You can either write this on a separate piece of paper, or you can print it, whatever you want, or you can just type something on the computer. Again, similar sort of thing with this question here. You've just got to find those initials in the text and try to answer it. Find and copy 2 adjectives. Again, you've got to look for something in the text and then copy it. Remember that adjectives are describing words. Okay, now it's a little bit different when you have a question like this one here where it says, why do you think the author has chosen the word spark here? And it gives you the sentence. It says, it is hoped that the events taking place across the country will spark an interest in science amongst young people. Now I wanted to talk about that because it's my favourite kind of word, which is a verb. So it could say, it is hoped that the events taking place across the country will make an interest in science or create an interest in science, but it uses the word spark. What kind of effect does the word spark have? Spark an interest. So think about how much space is there for your answer and think about how you're going to put that into a sentence with a good amount of detail. So I think the author used the word spark because, and try and explain why. Okay, and again, these questions, you've got to, why do you think, why, how? So for these questions, it's asking for your opinion, but you've got to link it to the text. You've got to link your opinion to the information you have, and not just your own idea. It's got to be your own idea based on some evidence, based on something that is in the text. But if you do that, and if you fill those spaces with enough detail, I'm sure it's going to be fine.